I spent many hours asking ChatGPT to combine different indicators into one fully automated trading strategy. A strategy that would be highly profitable and suitable for both day trading and scalping. And here we go, I finally received that secret code. I pasted it into Pine Editor and was surprised at how well this strategy actually worked. We'll get to the backtesting results a bit later. For now, let me show you what indicators are used for this strategy and how the algorithm finds buy and sell signals. So first of all, let's open the tradingview.com and navigate to the indicators section. This strategy includes 4 free indicators. The first one is called Range Filter Buy and Sell 5 Minutes. It was created by Duke Roth. This indicator is a technical analysis tool used to identify potential entry and exit points for trades based on price range fluctuations within a specific time frame. The basic idea behind the Range Filter Buy and Sell indicator is to determine the high and low price levels over a predefined period, usually the recent past. The indicator then calculates a specified percentage of the price range, forming an upper and lower range boundary. The range filter will be the first confirmation indicator. Basically, a strategy will be built around this tool. Before we move on, I just want to show you what settings I used for this indicator. So in the input section, I changed the multiplier from 3 to 1. This change will affect the quantity of these buy and sell signals. For the second indicator, I used the relative strength index. I set the RSI length to 5 and the upper and lower bands to 55 and 45. This way, the indicator reacts way quicker to price changes. For the third tool, I applied the exponential moving average with the length set to 50. This is a simple yet very effective trend filter that can eliminate many potential losing trades. Lastly, to manage stop losses and take profit targets, I added the ATR indicator to the strategy. The average true range is a technical analysis tool used to measure market volatility. It calculates the average of true ranges over a specified period, typically 14 days. A higher ATR value indicates higher volatility, while a lower value signals lower volatility. For the stop loss, I used 2 ATR values. The risk-reward ratio for the strategy is 1 to 2. Okay, now you know what indicators make up this strategy. Let's understand the entry conditions for buy and sell trades. So, a long position is opened when a buy signal is printed on a chart. In addition, the RSI must be oversold and the price must be closed above the 50 EMA at the time the signal is issued. Conversely, a short trade is valid when a sell signal appears on the chart, which is confirmed by the RSI and EMA. The trade is opened at the close of the price bar if the conditions are met. The distance between the entry price and the stop loss is calculated by multiplying the current ATR value by 2. For example, the current ATR value is roughly 105. So the stop loss will be set at a distance of 210 pips. The profit target is set at 2 times the risk. Exactly the same money management rules apply for short trades. Okay, now we know how these indicators produce buy and sell signals. So I gave these details to ChatGPT and within seconds it coded me a full strategy. I published it with open source so that the script is available for everyone. In order to add it to your chart, open the indicators menu and search for ChatGPT algo. By the way, don't forget to follow me on TradingView as well. This way you won't miss my future scripts. Okay, so to make the chart a bit cleaner, I hidden the relative strength index. The indicator is embedded in the code. The only thing you can see is the moving average and buy and sell signals. So to start our backtesting, let's open Bitcoin on higher time frames. Let's start with 2 hours time frame. So out of 9 closed trades, the strategy's win ratio turned out to be 88.89%. Obviously 9 trades isn't enough to judge strategy's performance, so do expect the win ratio to drop as the quantity of trades increases. Okay, let's open the 4 hours chart. Here we see the strategy's win ratio is close to 67%. Notice that the quantity of trades is higher. So yeah, pretty good, definitely some positive numbers to be seen. On the 5-minute chart, the strategy gave 80% win ratio, which is really good. By the way, the trades were found in a span of 5 days. On the 30-minute time frame, the strategy also showed great results. The equity curve is increasing and the drawdown is minimum. We had 11 closed trades which were found in a span of 1 month. Overall, pretty good performance on the price of Bitcoin. However, I do not recommend to use this strategy on the time frame lower than 5 minutes. This is due to high level of volatility and manipulations. By the way, here are the strategy settings. You can tweak them to find the best ones that work for you. Okay, now let's see if the strategy works in Ethereum as well. So we're currently on a 1-minute chart. As we can see, the performance is much better than on a Bitcoin. On the 5 minutes chart, the strategy found only 4 trades within 5 days. On the 30 minutes chart, it works much better. 16 trades were found in a span of 1 month. The win ratio is quite decent. Also keep in mind that this is 2-to-1 risk reward. Okay, let's move on to the next time frame. So clearly not the best performance on the 1 hour chart. On the 2 hours chart, the performance is also below average. Alright, now let's try the strategy on Tesla. As you can see, the performance is not ideal. Okay, now let's test the strategy on some random forex pair. We see the numbers are quite inconsistent. So yeah, in conclusion, I would say the strategy works very well on crypto. Definitely don't recommend it for trading stocks. In forex markets, I mean, it works pretty well on some pairs, but again, this strategy was specifically designed for trading cryptocurrencies. As I said, you can adjust the settings and find the ones that work for you. Okay, now let me show you how you can turn this strategy into a trading bot. This means that every time the strategy finds buy or sell entry, it will automatically open a long or short position in your trading account. So first of all, you want to open the strategy tester. The next step is to click on the alerts button. Then you want to get rid of the message that you can see down here. Instead of the old message, we will add a new one that will connect your strategy and your broker account. So first of all, go to website called Trade Adapter. This website will serve as a bridge. Then open the instructions. Here we find instructions for different brokers. For example purposes, I'm going to use the Binance demo account. So we see the first step is to go to testnetbinancefuture.com. The second step is to find your API key and API secret. So once you log into Testnet Binance, scroll down and here you will find your API key. These are the 2 keys you're gonna need. Okay, now go back to Trade Adapter and scroll down to the step number 6. What you want to do is to copy this message and paste it into the alert message. The next step is to input our keys. So first of all, we need to input our Trade Adapter key. You can find it in your account profile. Okay, the next step is to paste our Binance API key. And finally, the Binance API secret. Okay, once the message is done, go to notifications. Here you need to paste your webhook URL. The link that you're looking for is this one right here. Once you're done with the settings, click create. And there we go, we just created our trading bot. Okay traders, I hope you found this video useful. If you want to see more strategies for crypto, check out this playlist right here.